We have seen some incidents that are taking place in different localities, but overall the law and order situation is in control, and of course at the same time we have been monitoring things in a very detailed manner, and we've been ensuring that further situation should not escalate. The inquiry, as you're aware, that already is in place. And as far as my knowledge is that because obviously I'm not directly involved in that, but Chief Secretary has already had a meeting with had a conversation with the judge who is heading this particular judiciary inquiry, and the process has already started. So I think it's been just the past 3 days now. So beyond that, in the last 3 days after he took over and took charge of the inquiry, I have not specifically had a review meeting on that, but I think we need to give him some time to start the process. But the process has started.